Let me take you on a journey I walked, which nearly broke me, but instead led me to a breakthrough. Not just for me, but for countless dads out there facing the Goliath that is the family law system. I'm not just talking about any ordeal. I'm talking about those harrowing custody battles, the intricate dance with narcissists who know exactly how to weave and web the confusion around the court arena. You know the ones. If you didn't know, my name's Jason. I'm a fighter, a strategist, and now a guiding light for fathers ensnared in this complex maze. Let me tell you a story about how McKenzie Friend in my pocket, a lifeline, was born out of my battles, my scars, and my victories. Imagine, for years, diving deep into the quagmire that is family law. It's not exactly the most exciting topic. Coming face to face with narcissism and narcissism's ugliest manifestations. All of the while, safeguarding not just my integrity, but fighting fiercely for the right to be present for my daughter. This journey wasn't just mine. I walked alongside an army of fathers, each battling their own demons, each story etching a deeper resolve within me. It was through these collective struggles that a beacon of hope flickered. It flickered to life of the affordable, accessible champion called McKenzie Friend in my pocket. Think about it. Battling in court doesn't just drain your spirit, it drains your pockets too. Yet, what if I was to tell you that for the price of less than a coffee a day, that's what, less than a coffee, you can get a McKenzie Friend in your pocket, by your side, an ally. Gone are the days of shelling out hundreds of pounds per hour for a McKenzie Friend or thousands of pounds for a case, for a family court case. For now you can get this McKenzie Friend in your pocket for £197 annually, or £19.99 a month. Now, this is not just something that's been put together sporadically. This is 10 years worth of knowledge and experience. This is lessons within the week, a timetable of lessons that you will be able to attend and watch at your leisure that will not be available anywhere else. It's a tool. This is a tool. This is something that not just you can use after court as well, because we're not just focusing on don't just focus on court. We focus on rebuilding your life afterwards. It's a community that will help you deal with your narcissistic ex-partner, and that will help you deal with anything that comes your way afterwards. Now here's the breakdown you never knew you needed but wanted all along, including learning from those who walked this formidable path before you. It's a financially savvy product. It's affordable. It's crafting an emotional and mental fortress for our service users. As I cast my mind back to a decade of battling my narcissistic ex, wading through the courts, emerging victorious, yet witnessing firsthand the trials of my fellow fathers faced, I was driven by more than just survival. Venturing beyond my story, realizing the universal struggle against narcissism's distortion, whether it's legal battles or professional gripes, I sharpened my focus on strategies that carve paths to victory without losing one's essence or integrity. Here, in every courtroom, every negotiation lies not just a battlefield, but a stage to redefine combat, to turn whispered truths into roars of integrity, gathering incontrovertible evidence, leaning into the patience of a saint, engaging a fortress of support, embracing transparency as a toolkit for triumph, and embedding the resilience of a storied architecture. These became the cornerstones of a narrative for every father walking through fire. McKenzie Friend in my pocket is not a mere subscription. It's the distilled essence of wisdom, resilience, solidarity, and empowerment. It's both a shield and a beacon for fathers worldwide championing their rights to be fathers, flawed, fierce, and foremost in their children's lives. As we marshal into the courts or stand firm in our professional realms, let's rewrite the stories Let's forge legacies, not from our adversities, but through our approach to overcoming them, with elegance and precision and unwavering grit. Together, we're not just combating the shadows of narcissists, we're upholding the higher credibility, the valor of fatherhood, the victory of truth, and the unwavering light of justice. Welcome to the Renaissance, the dawn of a true empowerment for dads standing tall in the face of the perils, armed with not a sword and not a shield, but a McKenzie Friend in their pocket, your loyal ally, guide, and silent warrior in your pocket. This, fellas, is not just my story, it's our story. A chronicle of triumph, not just fully written, awaiting your chapters, your victories. The journey is tough. The path is fraught with trials and tribulations, but with McKenzie Friend in my pocket, no dad walks alone. Let's embark, let's conquer, and let's do it together.